The people of Somaliland say they have peace and stability here, unlike the ethnic turmoil south of their border in Somalia.
You see, the whole people, they support the Somaliland government because you see all the people, they are very happy, glad.
Somaliland will be Somaliland forever.
But their declaration of independence is not recognized by the government in Somalia or by any other government anywhere. To the rest of the world, this is a nation that doesn't exist, where just about everything needed for a functioning country has been destroyed. With help from UNICEF, the government has started operating some schools, but it has no money to pay salaries because there is yet no money in Somaliland. There are no banks, no post offices, no civil service to run the government. But there is a provisional parliament and a promise to hold free and fair elections in 1993. The provisional president says Somaliland will be a democratic nation with a free market economy, a nation the world will eventually have to recognize.
Somaliland's here forever, definitely.
There is an army here to defend this new country, the same ragtag force of rebels that overthrew the government that persecuted the clans here. Those clans are now in control of this territory, and their leaders say they will build their new nation one step at a time. Gary Stryker, CNN, Hargeisa in northern Somalia.